Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's see where we were last time.
So last time we started to move some components in the Pyxel application. It's kind of an animation. So the point is, usually, let's see the Pyxel page. So in the Pyxel page, the author says how to use. In the third example is when creating simple graphics without animation, show can be used. So this is what we did in the first place. And then, as the author says, we used the second type using the second style. Okay, import Pyxel, class app, and define at least 3 classes, including init, update, and draw. Okay, right? And calling app at the end. So let's see. So going back to the code, we started by copying the code from here to the new code, new type code. Okay, we copied here and copied most of the code to drawing section. And then we started to use the class variable self, which starts with self dot. For example, in this case, we use sec, and it's initialized as 0 in the init section and incremented by 1 each time update is called. And update and draw are alternately called every 1 second because FPS equals 1. Okay, right? So here, okay, let's also add title here. Maybe Pyxel animation here, so that it shows in the title. And okay, so it means that it is incremented by 1 every 1 second, and it is shown, referred to by the variable self.sec here, and displayed in the deck observatory text. Okay, let's quickly run it once to see. Okay, it is incremented every 1 second. Okay, let's stop it and let's move on to today's part. There is no homework, so stop after 10 seconds. So to do that, maybe we can use this part to make if self.sec is over, say, 10 seconds. Maybe we don't. Yeah, that's one thing. Or, okay, or we can write this way. We increment. That's right, because maybe this is better. So we increment only when it is before 10 seconds. So how about this? Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so goes up from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's change it to less than 10. Maybe that's better. Okay, what's next? That's right. That's right. It incremented to 1, so it will be at 10 seconds. Fine. So moving some more parts. Moving down the observatory deck. Okay, this is the first step of real animation. So to do that, we will see that observatory is here. Okay. And the point is, okay, let's anyway. So x coordinate is here, y coordinate here. So yeah, you know how to do that? You can try it yourself by stopping the video. Try yourself. Are you back? Okay, let's see. So as I said, the y coordinate is here. And how about incrementing it with the value of self.sec times, say, 5. And see. Yeah, actually, this is not very good. So let's check how it looks like. One thing is I made a typo. Okay, let's try this. Good news is that the observatory deck itself is moving down. But the thing is, this string is left here. So maybe we can do it together by copying this part, pasting here, and doing the same thing for this value too. To do that, maybe we will use it several times. So we will assign it to local variable dd, use it here, and also use it plus dd times 5. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Good, great. You like this? Good. 9, 10. Okay, good. So what's next? Flying the spaceship horizontally. Okay. To do that, maybe you can try yourself. And yeah, stop the video and try yourself. Yeah, right. Flying spaceship is here, right? So as you can see, you can increment the x coordinate by, say, 10, for example. Also the central part. Okay, let's see. Good. Horizontal. Yeah, it is flying exactly horizontally. Bad news is that it is moving in front of the tower, which maybe we don't like that. So how about in that case, maybe we can move this part in front of the power line. Is before the tower line instead of after the tower line. So this will make it better. Okay. In the meantime, what's next? So the next thing is, okay, the last one is fly the spaceship diagonally instead of horizontally. Okay. So to move it diagonally, we can also need to increment the y coordinate of the spaceship. So let's try that like this way. Like 4, like 3, like 2. Okay, fine. It's really up to you. Okay, let's try it. Good. It's moving in diagonal fashion and on the back of the tower, which we liked exactly. Good. Maybe now you see how to do that. Actually, maybe it could be a little faster, but fine. Okay, that's all for today. So homework, move up the observatory deck from the bottom. And any way you like, you can try many movements as you like and see how the result will come out. Okay, that's all for today. See you again next time. Bye-bye.